I'm gonna say right now on US30, you guys can see I'm up almost $19,000. And the reasons behind the sale is pretty simple. If you guys go to the 4 hour, we're clearly bearish, and 1 hour as well, we're bearish, right? So what I did was just super simple. I wait for the market to grab liquidity out of this lower high on 4 hour. Once it grabbed liquidity, I jump to the lower time frame. You guys can see that we start creating lower lows and lower highs. Then this liquidity grab happened exactly at 9:30, as I like it. Grab liquidity, then break below here. So I wait for the retest into this level, take the entry, and now I'm almost hitting TP2. And let's see what happens. But this was a trade of the Friday, so let's go. If you want to trade exactly like I do, the same strategy, applying liquidity grab, order blocks, price action, I have a course going on. Click on my bio, everything is there. And I see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. And this is the type of trade that you actually can take when you have a blueprint strategy that is all about following a step by step. You guys can see here, I'm taking a sale on US30. US30 is crazy dropping right now. I'm taking advantage of that. I'm up $85,000. I already hit TP4. And you don't have to be a genius to understand a structure here. We're clearly bearish, creating lower lows and lower highs. So what I do, my blueprint, I wait for the market to grab liquidity out of this lower high on 5, tapping into a 15 minutes order block, and then a small break. The break that I had was this one right here. I didn't take it here because my stop loss doesn't make sense. You guys can see if I would have taken the entry here, I would have get stopped out by the market. So this is what I do when it happens like that. I wait for a second break so I can have a better stop loss. So I wait for this pullback, and when market break one more time below here, I took my entry right here. And this is basically what I did on this trade. So I hope you guys enjoy this kind of content. And if you want to learn exactly like I trade, liquidity grab, order blocks, price action, like having a blueprint, a step by step, click on my bio. I have a course and also a community where you're going to be learning the same strategy that I'm applying here for everyone. So I see you guys in the next one, and peace out. All right, guys. So let's do a quick analysis of the trade of today while I enjoy my morning cappuccino here. And yeah, it's a pretty easy setup. If you know how liquidity works, you would be able to take a sell or buy. Either way would be fine. But I took a sell just because the market was aggressively dropping here, and I found the opportunity. So what exactly did I do? I just wait for my confirmation, my blueprint. I wait for the liquidity grab. I wait for the order block top, and then a small break on my favor to getting on my trade. So everything that we see here is just wick transferring. That's what I call my course, wick transferring. So market never did any breaks here. It's just a liquidity grab and wick transferring. So we transfer here to here, here to here, and that happens right out the opening at 9:30. Market grab liquidity, tapping into the order block. So out of the three things I'm looking for, I already have two: liquidity grab and order block top. And then I wait for a small break. I didn't take my trade on 5 minutes here. I took it on the 1 minute right here just because I want to have a better stop loss. So I took my entry right here. And as you guys can see, it was a pretty good setup. I just wanted it to hold it too much to make 100,000. And it was kind of, dummy to do that, but that's fine. I closed here at 103 when I should have closed here at 104, which would be like $82,000, which is fine. I get it. It's on me. All right. So that's the setup here. You guys can see. And then for the buy, the same thing. If you know how liquidity works, you would be able to take this buy as well. I wanted to take the sell because it makes more sense for me after tapping into this order block on 15 minutes. So this is basically the setup for today. I hope you guys enjoy this. And, if you want to learn how I trade exactly like I do, liquidity grab, order blocks, price action, click on my bio. I have a course and also a community where you're going to have access to this kind of community with the course and everything. You guys can see here, we pass challenges every single week. And today is one of those days that you actually have to trust your strategy. I've been holding this trade for over an hour, been playing around, going back and forth. I'm just holding my hands tight and trust my analysis and my strategy. As you guys can see, I'm up $47,000, almost hitting TP2 here. It's a pretty easy setup here. And I'm going to go through, the behind the scenes. So right here, you guys can see we have a massive pullback tapping into this 4-hour order block. And that happens right at opening at 9:30, 10 a.m. in the morning. I didn't take the trade here because it didn't make sense on my stop loss. So what I did is just wait for the market to give me all my confluences. The first one is basically waiting for the market to grab liquidity. Then when it grab liquidity out of the swing low on 5 minutes, I wait for also this order block top on the 5, which is going to be this one. It was respected. And when market did a break right here, I should have taken my trade here. But if I take it here, with this break and the pullback, it wouldn't make sense with my stop loss because, the stop loss is going to be in the middle of nowhere. And I'm going to put my stop loss there. So what I did is just wait for another confirmation, which is another break, which happens to be this one. And now in this one, I actually get in with a 50 pip stop loss and 100 pip take profit. As you guys can see, I'm almost hitting TP2. It's a great trade. And as I said, it's all about trusting your strategy. Even if you're scared, even if you're doubting about your setup, just stick to your rules and do what you have to do. So I hope you guys enjoy this kind of content. I see you guys in the next one. If you want to trade like that, exactly like I do, liquidity grabs, order blocks, price action, click on my bio. I have a course. There's also a community where you're going to be learning the same strategy that I apply here. That is based on 3 simple concepts: liquidity grabs, order blocks, and price action. So I see you inside, and let's go. You're either going to be trusting your analysis or trusting your strategy, but you cannot be hesitating every time you see a setup because you're afraid to lose a trade. Here, one more time, I'm taking a sell on gold. I already hit TP3. I'm up 18 grand, and I'm going to go through exactly what I did, following my trading plan, of course, and also my strategy step by step. Here, you guys can see on a daily, we have a daily order block, which market has some reaction yesterday. And today, market just come back and retest this order block. When we go to the 4 hour, we clearly have a kind of double top on the 4 hour here. And also on the 1 hour, we have a break to the downside, here, and market come back into grabbing liquidity of the swing high and retesting the daily order block. I went to the 5 minutes then to look for more confirmation, more confluences, and I saw market giving me a break to the downside here. I mark up the swing high liquidity here and also this minor order block. I wait for that liquidity to be taken and also this minor order block to be tapped and wait for this minor break on my favor to take the sale. As you guys can see, I already hit TP3. It's a great setup, easy setup. And as I said, I follow my trading plan like I do every single day. So if you want to learn how to trade exactly like I do on a daily basis, liquidity grab, order block, price action, and do the same thing that I'm doing right here, click on my bio. I have a course and also a community where you're going to be learning the same strategy that I'm implementing every single day on my videos. So I see you guys inside, and peace out until the next one. All right, guys, back again with another video. Today, I took a buy on US30. The price action was kind of playing around a little bit. I got stop out break even on my first entry, and then I re-enter back again once it breaks above here. I entered right at this candle close here. And as you guys can see, I already hit TP3. The reasons behind the buy is pretty simple. I went into the bigger time frame, creating higher highs and higher lows. You guys can see here the 1 hour as well. So last thing that I saw was market creating a breakout structure on 15 minutes above the previous high. This, even though it seems like a kind of aggressive pullback, for me, is a liquidity grab and pullback. So once market grab liquidity at the swing low on the 1 hour and tapping into this 15 minutes order block, also 1 hour order block, I just wait for the market to give me my confirmation, which is going to be a break on my favor happens here, and then a small liquidity, then give me a small break. That was my first entry right here, and went into the 101, and then it stopped me out break even, and I re-enter back again once it break above here. So yeah, now it's already at TP3. I already hit, my target, and that was the trade of today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of video. If you want to learn exactly how I trade, applying this liquidity grab, order blocks, price action, click on my bio. I have a course there, also community where you're going to be learning the same strategy that I'm implementing here. So I see you guys inside, and peace out. And here we are back again, guys, with another trade. So right now, I'm going to buy on US30. I'm holding my trade all the way up to the swing here. Already hit TP2. And as you guys can see, I'm up 29 grand. And let's do something different here because a lot of people keep saying that I just show my winners. So I'm going to go to history here. I'm going to go to custom period, and I'm going to go into the first day of the week, which is going to be 22nd until today. You guys can see. And we're going to go slowly here so you guys can see. So this week, I have $84,000 in profit. With the one that I have, I'm going to close above $100,000 in just 3 trading days. So yeah, that's basically it for today, guys. The reasons behind the buy is pretty simple. Liquidity grab out of the swing low on the 4 hour here. You guys can see grab liquidity out of here. Then we have a break in our favor, which is this one right here, break of a structure. Then market come back to grab this minor liquidity of the 5 minutes, then tapping into this 5 minutes order block, and then give me a break, a small break right here. And that's basically the whole trade. So yeah, guys, this is all for today. I'm going to close my trade right here at 30 grand. And back again to history, $113,000 for the week, only 3 trading days. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.
Everybody want to know what I would do if I didn't win. I guess we'll never know.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Back again with another video. Today, I'm going to sell on US30. I already hit TP2. I'm up 22 grand. This is not my first trade of the day. I took a trade this morning, make like $11,000, and I have a break-even trade on gold here. So, yep, that's the trade that I have right now. As you guys can see, 20 grand. And the reasons behind the sale is pretty simple. If you go to the 4 hour, we're clearly bearish here, creating lower lows and lower highs. And what I did is, like I always do, I wait for the market to grab liquidity. You guys can see before the opening, we have a lower high, lower lower structure here. So I wait for the market to grab liquidity out of the swing high like this. That happens right at the opening. Grab liquidity, give me this double top confirmation, and then give me the break. That's when I enter my position. As you guys can see, Already hit TP2, so I'm gonna close my trade right here. And yep, I lost a couple of thousand here, but it's part of the game, and that's fine. So today I end out the day with 25 grand. And yeah, if you guys want to trade like this, exactly like I do, liquidity grab, order blocks, price action, click on my bio. I have a course there on our community where you're gonna be learning the same strategy that I'm implementing right now, and that all my students implement every single day. So peace out, and I see you guys inside. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to a new week of trading. Today is Monday. I took a sell on gold last night on Asia. I took it here and I hold the entire night. Of course, I was break even. Once I saw market dropping like this, I put myself in break even and then let it play out the entire night. Right now, I'm more than 1-6. I think, I'm 1-8 on this trade, almost 1-9. I'm gonna close my trade, of course. I think, my target was a swing low here in the 4 hour. Already went through it. So, yep. The reasons behind the sale is pretty simple. If you go to the 4 hour, we're bearish. We're clearly bearish here. And, what I did was just wait for the market to do a pullback of the 4 hour and start looking for a possible sale continuation. So if you go to the 15 minutes, we found this order block right here on 15 minutes. On Asia, we kind of see market kind of breaking through to the downside here because we were kind of bullish here a little bit. Then I wait for the market to break, on my favor right here. And then I wait for this liquidity grab to be taken out of the swing high on 15 minutes. Drop to the 5 minutes and wait for a small break right here. You guys can see after the liquidity grab, I wait for the small break, take it. And this is basically the trade right here. Let's go into the history here because a lot of people just say that, oh, I only show when I win. But you guys can see that today, I don't have any trade. This is my first trade of the day and I'm up 58 grand. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. If you want to learn exactly how I trade liquidity grab, order blocks, price action, click on my bio. I have a course there in our community where you're going to be learning the same strategy that I'm literally implementing every single day here. Peace out and I'll see you guys in the next one. Hey, what's going on, guys? Back again with another video. Today, I'm going to sell on US 30. I already hit 1-5 and I'm up $62,000. This morning, I have a loss on gold. You guys can see I was looking for a sale. I still think it's going to be a sale, but I took it, I think a little bit early, or late, I think. And I end out, losing a couple of thousand, but I have a good trade last night, which I made $21,000, which is fine. But right now, I don't care about the losses. I just care about the wins. And right now I'm up $59,000. So the reasons behind the sale is pretty simple. If you go to the 4 hour, we're clearly on a downtrend to break to the 4 hour to the downside here. So which makes my structure bearish now. Then I went to the 1 hour. I didn't see any structure here for me to find like order blocks. So that's fine. I'll go to the 15 minutes. I didn't find any order block, as well. Then I go to the 5 minutes and that's where I found market giving me an order block and also liquidity grab. So I have this 5 minutes order block. Also I have a 5 minutes liquidity grab here. I wait for that liquidity grab, that order block top, and then a small break on my favorite, which is this one right here. Took the entry. I did 50 pip stop loss. As you guys can see, I'm already at 105. And this is a trade for today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. And again, if you want to learn exactly like a trade, liquidity grab, order blocks, price action, things like this, click on my bio. I have a course there in our community where you're going to be learning the same strategy that I'm applying here. So I see you guys inside and peace out and have a great weekend. And yeah, see you. Hey, what's going on, guys? Back again with another trade. This time I'm going to buy on gold. You guys can see I'm almost hitting TP2. Super simple setup here. If you go to the 4 hours, still bullish. What we have here is just a liquidity graph for me, pull back. If we go to the 1 hour, we clearly here, come back again, creating higher highs and higher lows after this massive pullback. And we have a liquidity graph out of the swing low in 1 hour, tapping into this 1 hour order block. And when we go to the 5 minutes here, you guys can see that we're kind of bearish internally here. So I had to wait for a confirmation of a break for me to have the confirmation that market's getting back again into bullish. And we have this here, break on my favor. Then we have a small liquidity grab out of the swing low on 5 minutes. And this a small order block top here on 5. Then I wait for this minor break here. Break, retest, get in here, 30 pips stop loss, and I'm going for 60 pips. Almost hitting TP2 here. Let's see what happens. And as you guys can see, I'm up $18,000. So let's see. And yeah, I'm already at break even here. Whatever happens, happens. But yeah, I hope this one actually hit TP2 so we can be down for the day. So yeah, let's wait a little bit more. Let's see if we can get this. And there we go. TP2 have been hit. Closing my trade here at 21,000. And this is how we do it, guys. So if you want to learn exactly like I do every single day, liquidity grab, order blocks, price action, click on my bio. I have a course there in our community where you're going to be learning the same strategy that I'm playing here. Literally everything, liquidity, order blocks, price action. So click on my bio, get in the course, and I'll see you guys inside. Peace out. Hey, what's going on, guys? Right now, I'm going to buy on US 30. I'm expecting the market to break through here right at 9:30 and start pushing up here. And the structure is still bullish. We're all-time high right now. We have a great retracement here, getting into a 15 minutes, 1 hour order block. Then we have the market giving me a break on my favor, kind of getting back again into the bullish market. Then this liquidity grab out of the swing low on 5 minutes. So the only confirmation, or the only thing that I'm waiting for right now is market breaking above here for me to have a good confirmation. That's what I'm expecting the market to do. Right now, as you guys can see, I'm already in, and let's see what happens. Okay. It's a risky trade here. I don't recommend anybody to do that. But yeah, I'm an expert on this. This is my strategy. I know what I'm doing. You guys can see here. I'm getting almost a 1 or 2 here. I might close my trade at 1 or 2 or hold it. Who knows? Depending on the power of the trade here. Okay, but you guys can see it's a pretty easy setup. I don't recommend anybody to do that trade right at the opening because it's kind of crazy. But I have everything that I'm looking for on my strategy. So yeah, you guys can see I'm already in. I'm almost about hitting TP2. Hit TP2, 30 grand. I'm closing my trade right here. And this is a good trade for today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Easy trade. And see you in the next one. If you want to trade exactly like I do, liquidity grab, order blocks, price action, everything like this, click on my bio. I have a course there and also a community where you're going to be learning the same strategy that I'm using right now. So I keep you guys updated on next trades, and I see you in the next one. Peace out. Hey, happy Monday for everyone. So you guys can see I'm going to buy right now on Go. I'm up $52,000 and I'm 1 at 6, I guess. I decided to let that trade run just because I saw that I have room, and that's what I did. I'm about to close my trade. I think like I'm kind of being greedy right now. With this trade, it's a home run for me. And yeah, so let's go into the analysis behind the trade. Pretty simple setup. You guys can see we're bullish here 4 hour. So I'm gonna make sure you guys can understand like the reasons behind this. You guys can see here we have a break of a structure in 1 hour. Then one more time we have a break. Then we have this 1 hour order block. I mark up this order block, market do a pullback here, tapping into the order block on 1 hour, and also grab liquidity on 5 minutes right here. So pretty simple. Break on my favor on 5, liquidity grab, and then another break on my favor. That's when I enter here my position, 30 pip stop loss, and that's basically the setup for today. So yep, pretty simple setup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and take some value out of it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. If you guys want to trade exactly like I do, liquidity grab, order blocks, price action, literally everything, click on my bio. I have a course there in our community where you're going to be learning the same strategy that I'm using right now. So I see you guys inside, and peace out. Hey, what's going on, guys? Back again with another video. Today, I took a buy on gold. You guys can see I'm up 30 grand. And the reasons behind the buy is pretty simple. The only difference here is that I took the buy on 1 minute time frame, which I don't recommend anybody to do that unless you know what you're doing. But everything else is there. So I'm going to go into that so you guys can understand. So the first thing is like I went to the 4 hour. If you go to the 4 hour, we're clearly in a bullish market, right? Creating higher highs and higher lows. We have a massive reaction out of this daily order block. But if you see the 4 hour time frame, you still have bullish market. I don't see any reasons to look for a sale, even though we're tapping into this daily order block. So just because of that, I'm still looking for buys. I went to the 15 minutes. On the 15 minutes, you guys can see that we have a clearly downtrending structure here in the 15 minutes. So for me to look for a buy, even though I'm bullish, I need to wait for the market to give me some kind of confirmation, like a break of a structure or something. So it happens to be here on 15 minutes. We have this break on 15 minutes. So with that, I know I can start looking for buys, but I always have to wait for liquidity grab. So I mark up this swing low on 15 minutes, which is liquidity for me. And I wait for the market to grab liquidity that liquidity at news. So when the news happens, you guys can see this massive push, grab the liquidity. And this is where I took the trade on the 1 minute. I always take it on the 5 minutes, but with the pressure and everything, it was there, liquidity, trend, break on my favor, like everything was there. I decided to go into the 1 minute. So when the 1 minute go, here you guys can see, I wait for a small lower high, higher low, and then break. Enter here, 30 pip stop loss, and I went for the swing high, which is going to be a 1 to 3. So this is basically my trade, guys. You guys can see I'm going to close my trade right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, just comment, and I hope you guys get some value out of this. So if you want to learn exactly what I do on a daily basis, liquidity grab, order blocks, price action, literally everything that I do here, click on my bio. I have a course there in our community where you're going to be learning the same thing that I apply here. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and this is the trade for the Friday. So see you guys. All right, guys, back again with another breakdown video. This time I'm going to buy on US 30. I'm up 35 grand. And the reasons behind the buy is pretty simple. If you go to the 4 hour, we're clearly creating higher highs and higher lows. So for that reason, I'm looking for buys. Another thing that I saw that happens at news was the market do a break of a structure on 15 minutes. You guys can see the news create a massive break of a structure and leave me an order block right here on 15 minutes. So I wait, as I always do, wait for liquidity grab and also order block top for me to look for a setup. So market come back into this order block, respect the order block, and also grab liquidity out of this swing low on 15 minutes. So when I saw that, I went to the 5 minutes and wait for a small break for me to get in. So liquidity grab, one more time, order block top, then this break, then I wait for the market to come back into this lower high, which is my break, retest. I enter my position here, 50 pips stop loss and 100 pips take profit. So I'm almost hitting TP2 here, but this is the trade off today. So if you want to learn exactly what I do on a daily basis like this, liquidity grab, order block, price action, trading plan, literally everything, click on my bio. I have a course there in also community where you're going to be learning the same thing that I did here and also that all my students do on a daily basis. So click on my bio. I see you inside. And the great thing about this, guys, is that you guys can see I'm on my pajamas and I'm still making money every single day. So if you want to learn, click on my bio and I see you inside. Peace out. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's been a while since I do a video, but I'm here back again on the lap. Literally a full spit. You guys can see here, I took a buy on gold. Right now, I'm up $22,000. And let's go into like the breakdown of this trade. Pretty simple. If you go to the 4 hour, you guys can see we're creating higher highs and higher lows. I think like that last week, we have liquidity grab out of this swing low on the 4-hour. Also, respect this order block on the 4-hour. Give me a double bottom as well, and then break the neck on the 4-hour right here. With everything that I just went through, I'm looking for buys here. Then I'm going into the 15 minutes here, and you guys can see we're creating higher highs and higher lows. Market breaks through here, create this minor 15 minutes order block. And if we go to the 5 minutes as well, we have an order block on 5 minutes and also liquidity grab right here on the 5 minutes. So when market grab liquidity here, respect the order block right here, tapping into the order block, give me a lower high, higher low, and give me a break. I wait for the retest of this level right here, enter here, 25 pips stop loss, and 50 pips take profit. You guys can see here, I'm still holding my trade. I think I'm going to close at 1 and 3 right here. But yeah, this is the trade of today. I hope you guys enjoy the breakdown, and I see you guys in the next one. If you want to learn exactly what I do on a daily basis, liquidity grab, order blocks, price action, literally everything, the same strategy that I'm implementing here, click on my bio. I have a course there and also a community where you're going to be learning the same strategy right here. So I see you guys inside, and let's close my trade here and be done for the day. So I'm going to be closing at $27,000 here. And yeah, guys, peace out, and I see you in the next one. Bye-bye. All right, guys, back again with another video. This time we took a sale on gold. Right now I'm up 13 grand. I'm almost hitting TP2 and just a couple pips away. I'm already at break even here. And the reasons behind the sale is pretty simple. You guys can see on the 1 hour, even though we have like a structure for buys, I like the way market grabbed this liquidity on the 1 hour here, liquidity grab, then tapping into this order block right here. So that reaction that I had, plus I see market kind of giving me, like a double top, kind of confirmation here, and then went and grabbed this minor liquidity above here. With this confirmation right here, I went into taking the sale after breaking below here. You guys can see I took the entry here before closing. And now it's just about hitting TP2. So let's see if we hit TP2 with you guys here so I can close it. But yeah, this is the trade for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you guys on the next one. Yeah, we're just gonna about to hit TP. Come on. All right. So we hit TP2. I'm closing here, 20 grand, and I see you in the next one, guys. Peace out. All right. So right now I'm on a sale on US 30. I'm up $37,000. I'm almost hitting TP2 here. And the reasons for the sale is pretty simple. If you go to the 4 hour, you guys can see that we have multiple breaks to the downside. Internally here, we have break number 1, break number 2. And at the opening, market grab liquidity out of the swing high on the 4 hour and tapping into this 4 hour order block. So with that two things, I'm looking for sales 100%. So I dropped to the 5 minutes here. And at the opening, you guys can see that we were kind of bearish here, creating lower lows and lower highs. Break here. We have another break here. So we were creating lower lows and lower highs. So this massive push that we have here is just a liquidity grab out of this lower highs here. To continue going down, or at least to continue the sale structure that I'm seeing on the 4 hour. So once I saw that, market went into this 4 hour order block back again, and then give me a small break here on the 5 minutes. I'll wait for the retest, take the entry, 40 pip stop loss. And as you guys can see, I'm almost hitting TP2. And this is the trade for today, guys. I hope you enjoy it, and I see you in the next one. If you want to learn exactly how I trade, exactly what I just went through here, liquidity grab, order blocks, price action, everything, click on my bio. I have a course there and also a community. So I see you inside, and let's go. All right, so I'm gonna buy right now on gold. You guys can see I already hit TP2, which is 60 pips. I'm going for TP3, which is gonna be 90 pips on this trade. So the reasons behind the buy here is pretty simple. If you go to the 4 hour, we have a massive pullback since London. Okay, market went into this order block right here on 4 hour, grab all this liquidity here below here. Once I saw that, I just went into the lower time frame on 5 minutes. I saw market kind of give me a break before this massive liquidity grab. Break on my favor, liquidity grab here, going into the order block, give me a pattern, kind of double bottom, break through here, pull back into the level here, enter here with 30 pips stop loss. And you guys can see, I'm going for 90 pips. So this is a trade off the Friday. I'm already break even. I might close on partial if I see market, retracing a little bit here. But as far as right now, I'm going for that TP3. It's going to be 90 pips. So I see you guys in the next one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to learn how I trade, exactly what I do on a daily basis, liquidity grab, order blocks, price action, click on my bio. I have a course there where you're going to be learning exactly what I do on a daily basis. So click on there, and I see you inside. Bye-bye. I'm going to buy right now on gold. You guys can see I already hit TP2. I'm up 17 grand right now. So I'm going to close my trade right here. And then I'm going to do the video for you guys so you guys can understand exactly what I did in order for me to look for the buy. So pretty simple. If you go to the 4 hour, we're creating higher highs and higher lows on an uptrend structure here in the 4 hour. Market coming back into this 4 hour order block. Okay. Then when I see market coming back into this 4 hour order block, I'm going into my 5 minutes, start looking for a structure to the upside. So on the 5 minutes, market clearly give me a break before news. Give me a break here. Before news, sorry. Market give me a break into my favor here. And then everything here, you guys can see, it's just liquidity grab. Market was just grabbing liquidity out of the swing low here, sweeping. Then when it give me a small break right here, that's when I enter my trade. Took the entry here, 30 pips stop loss for 60 pips. You guys can see it's kind of pushing into the swing high right here, but I closed my trade. So this is the trade for today. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I see you guys in the next one. I took a sale this morning on US 30. I was up 30 grand at some point. And I still holding my trade, you guys can see, because I want to see how far market can go. I was already at TP2 right here, but I still holding my trade. I forgot about to turn on my mic, and this is why I'm doing a voiceover, but I'm going to do my best to explain everything for you guys so you guys can understand the reasons behind the sale. Here on the 4 hour, you guys can see I saw market tapping into the 4 hour order block. On the 1 hour, also we have a bearish momentum, creating lower lows and lower highs. Then I went to the 5 minute and started looking for a structure for sales, okay? Creating lower lows and lower highs for me, kind of thing. You guys can see I mark up a minor break on 5 minutes there. So with that break, everything that I have above that levels, like those lower highs, are liquidity for me. So I wait for that liquidity to be taken right at 9:30, which is the time that I like to look for those kind of liquidity grabs. Market grab liquidity, and once it did that, I wait for the minor break on my favor back again, which is going to be this high or low right there. With that break, I wait for a small pullback into the level. I take the trade, put a stop loss at 40 pips. And as you guys can see, I'm up already at TP2. I closed my trade at 25 grand here for the day. So yep, that was the trade for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye. I'm going to sell right now on gold. You guys can see I'm up $5,000. And the reasons behind the sale is pretty simple. If you go to the 4 hour, we're bearish. 1 hour, we're bearish. Market come back into this 1 hour order block as well. And then what I did was super simple. As I always do, wait for the market to grab liquidity on 15 minutes lower high or 5 minutes lower high. Market grab liquidity in this case out of this lower high on 15 minutes, then going into this 15 minutes order block. Once I did that, I went to the 5 minutes and wait for confirmation. Here I have a break on my favor right here, and then I wait for the pullback, get in on the pullback. I'll put a stop loss at 30 pips, and now I'm going for 60 pips. I'm already at 101, waiting for the market to hit TP2, and let's see what happens. If you want to trade exactly like I do, exactly with this same strategy, applying liquidity grab, order block, price action, I have a course going on. Click on my bio, everything is there, and I see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Today is Monday. I'm going to buy right now on US 30. As you guys can see, I'm up $10,000. I didn't want to go aggressive on this buy as today is a holiday, but right now I'm almost hitting TP2. And then let's go in behind, exactly what I saw in order for me to take this buy. You guys can see, if we go to the 4 hour, we kind of into this 4 hour order block, the same thing on Friday. Okay. As you guys can see, we break, kind of create a double bottom thing, and then went all the way down and grab liquidity out of the swing, which is going to be this one right here. That liquidity grab, that was around, I think, London session. And, if you go to the 1 hour, we have clearly market kind of giving us a break into the 1 hour right here to the upside. Okay. So when I saw that, I start seeing like markets getting, that is structured to the upside. Then I go to the 15 minutes and I start looking for a possible setup, because I know even though we're kind of sell on the structure, we're in that level that makes sense for me to look for a buy. So that's basically what I did. So based on the 4 hour liquidity grab, the 1 hour structure, and then I go into 15 minutes, and you guys can see we have a break of a structure right here, and then we have a 15 minutes order block. I wait for the market to get to the order block right here. We have a minor liquidity grab on 5, and then I wait for this break into my favor. And that's how I took the buy here for US 30. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to hold my trade to see if it TP2. If not, I might close on partial here and call it off for the day. So, yeah, see you guys in the next one. Y como pueden ver aquí, tengo una venta activa ahora mismo en el oro. Estoy $22,000 profit. Y la razón de esta venta es súper sencillo. Si vamos a 1 hora, podemos ver que el mercado está en una súper tendencia bajista. En 4 horas lo mismo. Lo que hice fue esperar que el mercado tomara liquidez de una zona de un swing high de 5 o de 15 minutos. En este caso, la liquidez que tomó fue la de este lower high en 15 minutos. Esperé que llegara a un order block, en este caso sería este de 5 minutos. Luego que vi la toma de liquidez y el choque de order block, simplemente esperé un pequeño rompimiento en 5 a mi favor y tomé la venta aquí con un stop loss de 30 puntos. Y aquí pueden ver que estamos llegando a esos 60 puntos, llegando a TP2, y ahora mismo estoy en $23,000 en profit. Si te interesa aprender esta estrategia, exactamente lo que hago, liquidez, order blocks, estructura del mercado, trading plan, literalmente exactamente lo que hago día a día, cliquea en este video, vas a tener acceso a mi comunidad donde vas a ver todos mis estudiantes teniendo buenos resultados con esta estrategia. Así que si te interesa, cliquea en este video y te veo. Okay, so I'm going to buy right now on US 30. I'm up $31,000. And I know a lot of people were looking for a sell today. But if you know my strategy, you wouldn't know that the best thing was to look for buys today based on what market did on the 4 hour and the 1 hour. So I'm going to go into that so you guys can understand what I mean. So if you go to the 4 hour, you guys can see clearly that we get into this 4 hour order block, and market did a kind of double bottom thing and break up the neck on the 4 hour. Plus on the 1 hour, we have 2 breaks to the upside here, 1 and 2. So with that 2 confirmation that I have on the 4 hour and the 1 hour, the best idea for me was looking for a buy until they get to certain levels, like an order block, which is going to be this one or this one all the way up here. So what I did is just wait for the market to grab liquidity, as I always do. Market grab liquidity, go to this order block on 15, and then wait for a break. I'll put out 50 pip stop loss, and now I'm going to go for 1 or 3. onto this order block. And yeah, as you guys can see, I'm up $37,000. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and get some value out of it. Peace out. All right, so let's do a quick analysis here on my second trade of the week. As you guys can see, I'm gonna sell on US 30. I'm up $22,000. And the reasons behind this sale was pretty simple. If you guys go to the 1 hour, you will see the market is creating lower lows and lower highs. And at the opening, market grabbed liquidity out of the lower high on the 1 hour and tapping into this 1 hour order block. Once I saw that, I went into my 5 minutes time frame to start looking for a setup. And I wait for a break on my favor, you guys can see here, and then wait for a pullback. Market gave me the pullback, I get in, and this is basically why I took the sell on US 30. So I'm waiting now for the market to hit TP2. Let's see if we can get it. But that was a setup for today. If you guys like it, just let me know, and we keep doing this kind of content. Peace out. Hey, what's going on, guys? You guys can see here, I'm gonna buy right now on gold. I'm up $21,000, and I took this buy based on this 15 minutes order block, you guys can see, and also this minor liquidity out of the swing low on 5 minutes. And I look at the 4 hour for my bias, and you guys can see here we're clearly on a buy. Market come back in New York session to this 4 hour order block, have an amazing reaction, and that was the idea behind my buy right now. So I'm waiting for the market to hit TP for me to close my trade. But as of right now, you guys can see I'm up pretty good amount of money. I'm already break even on this trade. If it stopped me out, that's fine. But I took this buy. Let's see what happens. And I hope you like this kind of content. Peace out. And if you're interested in learning my strategy, exactly what I do on a daily basis, click on my bio. I have a course and also a community where you're going to have access to lifetime. We're going to be teaching you everything: liquidity grab, price action, order block, market structure, my trading plan, when to get in, when to get out, the stop loss. Literally, it's a copy and paste strategy. You guys can see here inside of the community how my students are killing it after they took the course. You guys can see here making profit every single day. So if you're interested in learning my strategy, click on my bio and I see you inside. Hey, what's going on, everyone? So you guys can see here, I'm going to buy on gold right now. I'm out $42,000. And I think this is my second trade of the week. I'm only taking 1 or 2 trades per week. I'm taking it easy on the market. You guys can see here, it was based on a 1 hour order block, a 4 hour order block. So let's go right into the analysis here. Let's close my position here and secure my profit first. And then let's jump into the analysis here. So you guys can see, market was doing a pullback here into this 4 hour, 1 hour order block. You guys can see. Then what I did is just wait for the market to get to the order block and start giving me confluences for me to look for the buy. So here I have a clear break on my favor on 5 minutes. And then I have liquidity grab out of the swing lows here. You guys can see market grab liquidity out of the swing low. Once it did that, I wait for another break on my favor. So you guys can see market breaks above here. That's when I enter my position, took a buy. I went for 1 or 2, and that's how I make that profit. So you guys can see it's a pretty easy setup. My second trade of the week, another win. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you're interested in learning my strategy, exactly what I do on a daily basis, click on my bio. I have a course and also a community where you're going to have access to lifetime. We're going to be teaching you everything: liquidity grab, price action, order block, market structure, my trading plan, when to get in, when to get out, the stop loss. Literally, it's a copy and paste strategy. You guys can see here inside of the community how my students are killing it after they took the course. You guys can see here making profit every single day. So if you're interested in learning my strategy, click on my bio and I see you inside. Hey, what's going on, guys? You guys can see here, I'm going to sell on gold right now. I'm up 30 grand. You guys can see here, I'm already hitting TP2. I'm going to close my trade and then I'm going to do the analysis behind this trade. Okay, let me just close my profit here and then do the video for you guys. So basically, I took a sell based on, you guys can see market's kind of dropping aggressively to the downside here. I went to the 15 minutes and wait for a pullback into this 15 minutes order block. Then I dropped to the 5 minutes and market gave me like a break on my favor after grabbing liquidity out of this highs here, and then give me like this kind of double top. Then on the 5 minutes, I re-enter my trade here once it's tapping into this order block, and back again after breaking this minor kind of internal high low, break through it, come back here and give me the trade. And you guys can see here how I end up making over 30 grand on this trade. So yeah, this is basically the trade that I basically took, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this content. I'll see you guys on the next one. And if you want to learn my strategy from A to C, literally, I'm going to teach you everything that I know. When to get in, when to get out, with stop loss, take profit, type of entries, market structure, liquidity grab, literally everything. Just click on my bio. I have everything there. Hey, what's going on, guys? You guys can see here, I'm going to sell on gold. I'm up $60,000. I took the sale based on the 1 hour order block. You guys can see here, market do a break to the downside here, break of a structure, and market come back right into this 1 hour order block. What I did was wait for the market to get to the order block, and then I dropped to the lower time frame, 5 minutes, and I wait for the market to grab liquidity, as you guys can see here above the swings. Once it did that, I wait for a break on my favor and then a retest. And you guys can see here, take the trade. And now I hit TP2, almost hit TP3. So I'm going to close my trade here. I don't want to hold it anymore. And yeah, that's basically how I took this trade. I hope you guys enjoyed this content. Peace out. And if you want to learn my strategy from A to C, literally, I'm going to teach you everything that I know, when to get in, when to get out, stop loss, take profit, type of entries, market structure, liquidity grab, literally everything. Just click on my bio. I have everything there. You guys can see here inside of the Discord, premium Discord, you're going to see my students killing it. They go through literally the course recordings here. You guys can see here how great they're doing with the strategy. So if you want to learn my strategy, as I said, click on my bio. Everything is there, and I see you inside. Hey, what's going on, guys? You guys can see here, I'm going to buy on goal. I'm up $17,000, almost hitting TP2 as my target. I think this is my first trade of the week. I'm just not feeling great, but I had to do what I had to do. All right, guys, as you guys can see here, I hit TP2. I closed in full my position here. And yeah, this is a great trade for my first trade of the week. So I hope you like this kind of content. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. And if you want to learn my strategy from A to C, literally, I'm going to teach you everything that I know, when to get in, when to get out, stop loss, take profit, type of entries, market structure, liquidity grab, literally everything. Just click on my bio. I have everything there. You guys can see here inside of the Discord, premium Discord, you're going to see my students killing it. They go through literally the course recordings here. You guys can see here how great they're doing with the strategy. So if you want to learn my strategy, as I said, click on my bio. Everything is there, and I see you inside. And today, after hitting a stop loss on my first trade on US30, I decided to give it a second chance because I trust my analysis. You guys can see here, market started pushing on my way. Once it hit TP1, I decided to close on partial to recover from my loss. And then I leave a runner to run towards TP2 to make some profit for the day. I actually let it run, I think around 95 pips. And I end up making somewhere from $16,000 to $17,000 after the loss. So it was a great day for us, even though we have a first trade lost. But if you guys want to learn exactly how I trade, exactly my strategy, like from A to C, click on my bio. I have an online course there. Click there, and you guys are going to have access to the community and also the course and learn my strategy. So I see you guys inside. Peace out. All right, guys. So we have a close here, which just looks pretty good. So I'm going to enter my position back again, the ones that I had. All right, guys, so hit TP1 here. I'm going to close partial, and I'm leaving the rest run towards TP2, which is going to be 38,395. And just like that, we hit TP2 for another great trade. If you guys want to trade live with me every single morning, click on my bio. Everything is there. I'll see you guys inside. All right, so we have the close here, guys. I'm going to get in here, couple of positions. Let's give it just a couple of positions here, guys. Don't get full here. Let's see, because we can have a deeper pullback here. So all right, guys, so we hit TP1 here. I'm going to close partial, and I'll leave in a runner to TP2, which is going to be 37,924. All right, guys, I'm closing full here. And just like that, we hit TP2 for another great trade. If you guys want to trade live with me every single morning, click on my bio. Everything is there. I see you guys inside. All right, guys, I'm going to get in here. Start adding positions here. And let's see what happens. 40 pips stop loss, 80 pips take profit. Let's see. All right, guys, so we hit TP1 here. I'm going to close partial, and I'm leaving the rest run towards TP2, which is going to be 38,544. And after hitting TP1, I closed 80% of my positions at 62 pips, almost getting to TP2, and leave a runner, and market stop me out break even. If you guys want to live with me every single morning, click on my bio. Everything is there. I see you guys inside. Hey, what's going on, guys? You guys can see here, I took a sell just a couple minutes ago. I'm up $41,000. And the whole idea here behind this trade was super simple. First of all, I was looking for buys first. Because I have like the idea for the sell around this 1 hour order block. I was looking for the market to get here and then to look for the sell around here. So I was looking for buys at the beginning around this level right here. looking for something like this to look for a buy until this order block. Market never did that and start pushing aggressively here. Then when I saw that, you know what, said, I'm going to go for the sell here. So what I did was just wait for the market to give me like this 5 minutes liquidity grab. And then, this double top on 5 minutes and then breaks below here, this level, and then give me a pullback. I enter my, my trade here with a 40 pip stop loss just to cover, you know, my stop loss a little bit. And I went for a 1 or 2, you guys can see here, for 80 pips. So I'm going to close my trade right now. I think I'm done for the day. And, yeah. Hey, what's going on, guys? So you guys can see here, I'm on a sale on gold right now. I'm up $166,000. I actually called this sale on the Discord. I sent the trading idea 2 times, actually. You guys can see here. I said that I'm looking for a buy on gold, you know, when market start pushing up, and then it says that the market swipe liquidity out of the 4-hour swing highs. I'm going to start looking for a sale. And you guys can see here, send it, and then I send it one more time, saying that I want to see the market grab liquidity above this highs for me to take it. You guys can see here, that's basically what I did. So I'm up $160,000. Pretty much just pretty easy setup to understand. So we have a massive order block right here, 30 minutes order blocks, 1 hour order block. So once market get there into the order block, I start seeing market kind of breaking into the downsides first, but I always kind of wait for confirmations. Something like double top, like on 15 minutes like this, maybe retesting the level here. Also liquidity grabs, you guys can see as well here, and tapping into a small order block. I have all the confirmation here. I took the sale. You guys can see I'm holding. I'm thinking about coming back all the way down to this level here. Let's see what happens. But yeah, that's basically it for this trade. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, guys, so we have the close here. I'm getting a couple of positions here. And once you do the retest back again to the level, I enter more positions, okay? All right, guys, so we hit TP1. I'm going to close partial here. All right, guys, so TP2 has been hit here. I'm going to close my positions. We're just like 1 pip away from TP2, so I'm going to close full here, and I'm going to call it out for the day. And just like that, we hit TP2 for another amazing day for us. If you guys want to trade live with me every single morning, click on my bio. Everything is there. I'll see you guys inside. All right, guys. So we have the candle close here, confirmation. I'm not going to get more positions unless market do a pullback into the level. If market continue going up here, I will just take it like this. And with the ones that I already have here, okay? All right, guys, so we hit TP1 here from my entry list. I'm going to close 1 trade here, and I'm leaving the rest run towards TP2, which is going to be 2353.14 for me, okay? And after hitting TP1, market almost hit TP2, but then it started pulling back and stop us out break even. It is what it is, but at least we make some profit on Monday. So you guys want to trade live with me every single morning, click on my bio, everything is there. I see you guys inside. Hey, what's going on, guys? You guys can see here, I took a buy on gold on Asia. I took it here. I hold it all the way up here, but I got messed by a couple of peps. So I'm still waiting for the market to come back here to close my trade. My stop loss is already in profit here. If market stopped me out, I'm still making something like a 70 grand or something like that. Right now, I'm up $100,000. So let's see if market come back here to close it and, you know, make pretty good money. If not, if market stopped me out here, I'm still in profit with a pretty good amount. I gotta go behind the scenes exactly how I took this trade so you guys can understand. So I go to the 4-hour. I know market's trading higher highs and higher lows. One thing that we also know is that we are on all-time high. So that's something that we have to pay attention to. So when I saw that, I wait for the market, like I always do, wait for the market to grab liquidity. Market grabbed this minor higher lows right here for liquidity, and then went into a 5 minutes order block right here. So when I saw that liquidity grab right here in this order block top, I wait for a confirmation. You guys can see I have a minor double bottom here on 5 minutes. So I wait for that break above the neck of the double bottom, take it here, and that's when I took my entry and I went all the way up here. You guys can see a pretty easy setup. I wait for liquidity grab, order block top, and then confirmation. Everything that I do on a daily basis. You guys can see I'm up $100,000. And I actually shared the idea on the Discord. A couple of people actually took it. If you know exactly how to trade, you will be able to take it. You guys can see here, Sen trade, the Sen analysis, everything. You guys can see the Sen entry because they have taken my bootcamp or my mentorship. Or if you know a little bit of trading, you will be able to take it with the idea that I sent. I sent the idea here saying clearly that I'm looking for a buy on gold here in Asia, and I share it with everybody so they can take advantage of that as well. Okay, so yeah, that's basically behind the scenes of this trade, guys. I see you guys on the next one, and peace out. And as you guys can see here, we took a buy on gold this morning. We actually hit TP1. I forgot to record my entry, but that's fine. Once we hit TP1, I close on partial and leave a runner to run towards TP2. After a couple of minutes, market started retracing because it grabbed liquidity out of a swing high on 4-hour. And I knew that was going to happen, so that's what I moved myself to break even. And market a couple of minutes later, stop us out break even. We end up making some profit after hitting TP1. Sometimes we hit TP2, sometimes we only hit TP1, but the most important part is going to be making money at the end of the day. So if you guys want to trade live with me every single morning, click on my bio, everything is there. I see you guys inside. All right, guys, I'm getting in back again here. I'm getting in back again. 50 pips stop loss, 100 pips take profit. All right, guys, so we hit TP1 here. I'm going to close partial, and I'm leaving the rest run towards TP2, which is going to be 38, 5, 26, okay? And after hitting TP1, the market stop us out break even. We actually secured some profit here. And then I decided to give it a second chance to the buy. You guys can see I entered on 15 minutes right here. We actually end out hitting TP1 and close on partial. Then it stop us out break even. If you guys want to trade live with me every single morning, click on my buy. Everything is there. I see you guys inside. All right, guys, I'm going to open a couple of positions here. I'll enter a couple of positions here. Let's see what happens. All right, guys, so I hit TP1 here for my entry. I'm going to close partial here, and I'm going to leave the rest run towards TP2, which is going to be 38, 870. All right, guys, so TP2 has been hit for me. I'm out of the trade, guys. TP2 has been hit for me. I'm out of the trade. I'm done for the day. And just like that, we hit TP2 for our Monday. I didn't risk too much on this trade as I had a really good trade last night on Go. If you guys want to trade live with me every single morning, click on my buy. Everything is there. I see you guys inside. Hey, what's going on, guys? You guys can see I'm on a buy right now on Go. I took this buy last night on Asia session, and you guys can see I'm up $178,000. I'm gonna go behind the scene exactly what I saw in order for me to take this buy. First of all, I go to the 4-hour to look my bias. You guys can see we're in an uptrend creating higher highs and higher lows. So the first thing that I saw that market did was yesterday do a massive pullback here to this 4-hour order block and still holding it. Then I dropped to the 1 hour and found a 1 hour order block, which is going to be this one. So I saw market getting right there into this order block on the 1 hour. So it's in a point of interest for me to start looking for a possible setup. Then I go to the 5 minutes to look for my setup. And last night on Asia, I saw market creating a minor uptrend structure right here, which is like kind of forming liquidity below all those levels right here. So you guys know, I always wait for the liquidity to be grabbed before taking a trade. So when I saw this, I wait for the market to swipe the liquidity below those swing lows here. When market did that and went right into the 1 hour order block, that's when I know I'm ready to look for my setup. I start waiting for confirmation right here. Market create a minor lower high right here and give me that break. I took the buy, do a 30 pip stop loss, and then start holding my trade until the previous swing, which is going to be this one right here. You guys can see I'm up almost $180,000. I'm going to close my trade because we have news today at 8:30, and I don't want to hold my trade anymore. So I just wanted to do the video so you guys can see behind the scene of another trade on Go. So let me close right now. And yeah, that's an amazing trade for us for Friday. All right. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm opening a couple of positions on Go here, guys. Just small positions on the retracement, and I'm going to wait for the pullback entirely to the level here for me to enter the rest. All right, guys, so we hit TP1. If you took it on the retracement with me, I'm closing one position here. I'm putting myself on break even and leaving the rest to run toward TP2, which is going to be 22.95, okay? All right, guys, I'm going to close full here. Close full my trade here, guys. Right out this push. So I was like 1 pip away from my TP2. So I close full here, guys. All right, guys, I'm opening positions here. Let's see what happens, okay? All right, guys, so I hit TP1 here. I'm going to close partials, okay? And I'm leaving the rest run towards TP2, which is going to be 39.296. And after hitting TP1, we almost hit TP2, but market stop us out break even. It is what it is. If you guys want to trade live with me every single morning, click on my bio. Everything is there. I see you guys inside. So I entered the rest of my positions here on the retest of the level. So now let's see what happens. 40 pips stop loss, 80 pips take profit. All right, guys, so we hit TP1 here. I'm going to close partial here. Okay. We hit TP1 on closing partial and leaving the rest run towards TP2, which is going to be 39.167. 39.167. And after hitting TP1 on market stop us out break even, it is what it is. If you guys want to trade live with me every single morning, click on my bio. Everything is there. I see you guys inside. Hey, what's going on, guys? So you guys can see I'm going to buy right now on Go. I'm up $33,000. And let's go behind the scene exactly what I saw in order for me to take this buy. First of all, I go to my bias. I'll go to 4 hour and look for what market is doing. As you guys can see, it's creating higher highs and higher lows. So once I saw that, I went to the 1 hour and I look clearly market grab liquidity below this swing low here on 1 hour. So as you guys already know, I always wait for the market to grab liquidity before getting into a trade. So once I saw market grab liquidity here from the swing low on the 1 hour, I dropped to the 5 minutes, okay, and I start looking for confirmation, okay? So one thing that I saw was market basically creating a break on my favor here, break of a structure, and then create a minor liquidity on the 5 minutes, which is going to be here and also here. So I also wait for the market to grab liquidity on the lower time frames, okay, here. Once market grab liquidity, I wait for my break on my favor, which is going to be here. I take the buy here, I put a 20 pip stop loss, and you guys can see I'm already almost on my TP. I'm thinking about closing maybe once market get here, but if I see a little pressure, I might hold it all the way up to this final TP, which is going to be 21.97. So let's see what happens here. As you guys can see, I'm up $31,000, and that was the behind the scene how I took this trade. I hope you like it.